About to go for a little race. Oh my god. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got a freaking squad outside today. We're on the big 450 as you can tell. And yeah, today is gonna be fun. It's beautiful weather, Florida weather. And yeah, we're about to hit a lap, so let's get it. Yes sir! What's good, bro? Are y'all hitting a loop or? Y'all hitting a loop? Yeah? I smell race gas. Popo down there. Popo! Uh-oh. Goddamn Popo, man. Sheesh. About to go for a little race. Oh my god. Let's go. This boy knows how to shred a two-stroke. Hey, there's down there. There's all the way at the end. Like when you hit the turn and go down, there's there. Like I seen two. So I'm not gonna ride right now. Hey, why you call the on us? What? I don't know. There's cops down there, so yeah. Okay. My boy Vasquez a quad rider now. A little bit. Hey. The girls are showing you up. Oh, they're kidding me. There's girls up there freaking shredding. Marides and her friend, and they be killing it. Woo! Oh, let's go! We got random people just popping up into the pack, bro. Yes sir! Boy, on the two-stroke 85. Boy, Vasquez getting a little sketchy on that. Oh, hot that. The boy scared me. Let's see, he's on a loaner right now. That ain't even his bike. Yes sir! Let's go. Homie behind coming on through. He said he was in a video and on a KTM and he went down, but now he got the 250 and he's chilling. Yes sir. I don't know, did they switch? No wheelie? I can't hear you. Hey, big 450. Let's go. Boy got the racing dirt bike. Look at the pack behind us. Dude, that thing was low as and he picked it up. That was crazy. Yo, look at all the bikes coming. Let's go. Yes, sir. Look at all Yo, what's good, bro? Is that a 450 or? Bro, that's crazy. And it popped up and it's so low. It's like, you got it fully built up or? Damn, bro, that shit hauls. Bro, that shit just gripped up and was like, boop.
Yeah, this big ride.
Bro, hey, you know how to ride it, bro. That shit's dope.
I appreciate that.
Hey, y'all have a good one.
My brother, Money Man Environment.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Are they coming out here today? Or?
Nah, he ain't gonna make it in Orlando hanging out.
Ah, okay.
But shit, we gonna pop out and ride with you, man.
Yeah, we're parked a little bit down there, but
Alright, well shit,
come on through. Yeah. Hey, later, guys. Yo, did y'all get pizza deliveries out here?
For East Slide was good.
What's good, bro?
I have to go get it. That one though.
No, I'm good. But I appreciate that.
Why is the clutch button? It dropped?
Huh?
The clutch is like...
Bro, I let someone ride it and they ate shit on it. I let someone ride it like you and they ate shit on my bike. He was asking like, yo, why is the clutch bent? I'm like, bro, I let someone ride it and they f***ed it up.
The handle is fucking...
It's perfect because it goes up, so you just go like this.
It pinches me.
Oh, well maybe you got big knuckles.
Wait, let me get on the cab.
Alright, let me see it on the cab then. That pretty KX. Alright, let's see if he got it on this KX. Yes, sir. No, yeah. I mean, he got half a clutch, bro.
That's why it helps. It doesn't pinch.
Ah. But the tire, with that tire, it's hard.
And this too, it's not cable clutch. It's all.
It's not what?
It's not cable clutch. It's the oil clutch.
Oh, yeah. It's not.
Really
Yeah. Let me feel it. Oh, it's in. Oh my.
Yeah, it's butter, nigga. It's butter.
Nah, but it's hard. It's like.
Put your left. You good now?
Oh, it's a little better. It's a little better, yeah.
Butter, bro.
So that's hydraulic clutch, right?
Hydraulic.
Okay. Let's go. Mm-hmm.